Okay. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Today, let us see mathematics in the view of art. Okay. There was a company. He has a building. On the top floor, he want a symbol of the company. He told the art to draw his symbol on the top floor. What the information has been given? He told to draw right angle triangle. Base should be 4 centimeter. And side opposite to right angle should be 5 meters. Here let us see centimeter, but he told in that way. On the top floor, he want the complete symbol. Complete symbol is a right angle triangle whose base is a 4 meter. You want to draw on the top floor, and the side opposite to right angle should be how much? 5 meter. Now let us see how will be the triangle with the help of our art construction. Okay. Let us draw first of all rough diagrams, planning. We want right angle triangle. Base should be how much? 4 meter. Here we take a 4 centimeter in notebook to get the idea. And side opposite to right angle should be how much? 5 centimeter. This is the construction of triangle we want to do. Now in construction of triangle, what is the first step? Draw segment. Now we have 2 segments. Actually in triangle has 3 segments. Out of these 3 segments, which segment will draw? Base. Why not this one? Opposite to 90. Opposite to 90 is 5. We want base. So first of all we will draw the base. In base 2 connectors are there. One is right angle is connected to the base, and another is another side which is known, that is also connected to this. If you take 5 centimeter starting, for that there is only one connector, neighboring known. So better to draw which one? First of all, base of side how much? 4 centimeter. That is drawn with the help of scale. Now take help of scale. In notebook you draw 4 centimeter, but on blackboard I will do 10 times enlargement. I will take 40 centimeter, but I will write here 4 centimeter to get the idea for you. Now with the help of scale, draw 4 centimeter. Means here I am taking 40 centimeter. One marking at 0, another marking at 4. And try to draw the segment. Use sharp pointed pencil. Draw segment of 4 centimeter. First step. Now, what will be the next step? Total 3 elements are given. We have drawn only first step. What about the remaining steps? Right angle is there and a side is there. How to draw this side? 5 centimeter with the help of scale. With the help of protractor. By protractor what will get? Compass. Compass will help us. By protractor we measure the angle. If you want to draw this side, we take help of what? Compass and scale, and compass will draw 5 centimeter arc. But with the help of that we will not get third vertex. If I get third vertex, I can get the triangle. I have only 2 vertices.
Yes.
Okay, that we can draw. Then what about the remaining element?
Angle.
Draw angle at the base. At any one end point. How to draw this 90 degree? With the help of protractor or with the help of compass. Last year we have seen construction of angles.
Yes.
With the help of protractor or with the help of compass we can draw angles multiple of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, that can be drawn with the help of compass. When you are using compass, leveling of compass is very much important. Okay?
Okay.
Now how to draw 90 degree? Now take any distance in compass. We don't know the measure, how much, any measure. Don't take too much small. Any distance in compass and place that compass at a vertex, one end point of the segment, and try to draw the arc. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And same distance if you cut off, what will you get?
Intersection point.
If I draw ray at this arc intersection, which angle will you get?
Intersection.
Acute angle measure
90 degree. Less than 90.
less than 90. Accurate measure
5.
last year. Have you seen this part? Have you seen this part? Okay. Then if you don't know that 90 degree construction, let us see best one. Another construction which you know. Now for that what I will do, I will extend this side. I will extend this side. I will extend this side and I will try to complete the arc. I will try to complete the arc. Okay? Now can you tell me how to get 90 degree perpendicular line?
Draw straight line.
No. With the help of compass, straight line can be inclined.
With help of protractor.
Protractor we know 90 degree. With the help of compass, perpendicular how to draw. We have drawn the arc.
Yes.
Now with the help of these 2 points, how to draw perpendicular line? How much distance we should take in compass? Less than half, or more than half? Less than half. If I take, then arc will come this side and that will go that side. Arc will not never intersect. Yes, sir? More than half. Let us see more than half. Now this distance is how much?
Half.
According to this total arc intersection, this distance is how much? Half. If I take half, then what happens? That two arcs touch each other.
Yes.
Then it becomes difficult to get the point. So what we'll take? We take distance in compass more than half. And now try to draw the arc. More than half. How much distance we don't know, but it is more than half. Draw the arc. Got the idea?
Yes.
Then how we will get now perpendicular line? Draw ray now. With the help of point and intersection point up, place the scale and place pencil. Place pencil and level it. Okay?
Yes.
Now draw the ray. Now what is the angle? Right angle. This angle is right angle, 90 degree. You want right angle triangle. You have taken first element, second element. Now which is the third element remaining? 5 centimeter. Now I should take distance in compass how much? 5 centimeter. Now take distance in compass 5 centimeter. Here on blackboard I am taking 10 times. Means I will take 50 centimeter. Here distance I am taking 50 centimeter. Scale is a half meter scale, 50 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now where to place the compass? Another end point of the segment. At one end point we have drawn 90 degree. At another end point we should keep the compass of measure how much? 5 centimeter and try to draw the arc. Then arc should cut the ray 90 degree.
Yes.
From that side 5 centimeter. Now place it and try to draw the arc of 5 centimeter.
Yes.
This is our third vertex. Join it now so that we will get required we will get scale. By joining this segment, what we will get
The
triangle. We will get we are joining the third segment and we are what we have got triangle. Now in this construction of triangle, what we have seen that is information is given right angle
Yes.
and side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse and a side. This is a type of construction of triangle in which a right angle, hypotenuse and side is given. First step is draw the side.
Yes.
Second step is draw right angle, or you can draw the arc, no problem. But best one is draw 90 degree. You can draw with the help of protractor. This is the best construction for 90 degree with the help of compass. Then last third step is from another end point, take distance of compass and draw the arc. This is how required triangle. Got the idea of RHS construction?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now can you do the problems
No,
of
sir.
exercise?
No, sir.
Exercise problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Exercise 10.5
Yes,
problem. Is it possible to do it?
sir.
Try it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Try this problem.